Hey everyone, it's Jabber again, coming from a very familiar spot here in Essex. It's our pre-owned center. If you haven't been to Essex, or you have been to Essex, everybody knows about Countryside's used car lot, right? It's a familiar spot. Everybody stops and checks out all the trade-ins, all the the used pre-owned Dodges, Rams, Jeeps, whatever we have available. Right now, you'll notice, however, it's very sparse, our lot, if you drive through here. The locals ask me all the time, Jab, you guys got no cars on your lots. That's because of just the way of the economy is right now, and the shortages, and new car production is at an all-time low, which is making it hard for us to keep used cars on our lot. And right now, customers are taking advantage of high trade-in values right now. We are very desperate right now, with looking for cars, looking to buy cars, looking for any way we can to keep the pre-owned center stocked, to keep serving the community with these great vehicles that we provide. Like I said, we have Mopar techs here that certify every one of our vehicles, and traditionally, we stand by every vehicle we offer, right? However, there's fewer and fewer of those vehicles to offer the community today. So what we're doing now is we have a program where we're just trying to encourage people to trade in their vehicles and take advantage of a time where they're going to make more money on their vehicle than they would ever before, probably. So it's a great advantage right now. It's a great time for people. Take advantage of the current state of the economy, take advantage of the current state of the automotive industry, and get more value for your trade. So come on down to Countryside, check out our pre-owned center, and let us give you an assessment. So if you're thinking about trading in your vehicle, and you think about it's time for an upgrade, come on down to Countryside and let us give you an assessment. Your vehicle, you could be sitting on a pile of cash, and your vehicle could be worth more than you know. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.